So today I decided that I wanted to make some matcha latte. So I've got all the things that I need for it here. This is the matcha that I will be using. There we go. It's called Naoki and it is a Japanese brand. It's said to be quite lovely with a little bit of umami and a little bit of sweetness, maybe with a bit of a dry taste. So I bought myself my own matcha latte set. I've got myself a glass. It's just a basic glass, but it has a nice glass straw. I've got myself some ice, which I've got ready. And in my vlog, I've got the video of me actually basically going to get ice because I didn't have any. I've got my hot water, which is slightly cooler now, and I've got myself some almond milk. I almost forgot. I've got myself some sweetener. First things first, we need to sift the matcha. Look how green that is. What a nice color, green, very rich in color. I'm going to take some of the matcha and I'm going to put it into my sieve and just sieve that like that into the bowl. That's it, so it's nice and fine, and there's some little bits that won't go in, so I'll leave that to the side. And then I'm going to add my hot water to this now. So you only need a little bit, not too much, just a quart. And this I'm going to use to mix it in kind of like an M shape. It gets all the ingredients together and it smells so nice. Oh, lovely. And then I'm going to get it a bit more frothy. I'm boiling hot, oh my goodness. This is going to be helpful to me because I am so hot today. Now sometimes you can have an automatic whisk and that can make it froth a lot faster, but I like to do things a little bit the traditional way. It just gives it a nice feeling. And that's finished there. And I'm also going to add a little bit of sweetness here. And this one is just some agave, but most people can use a bit of vanilla or whatever they feel they want. And I'm going to just mix that up again. So I'm going to put the ice in it now. It's not fancy ice. I do have some moldings for the fancy ice, but not today. I'm just going to put a drop of the sweetener onto the side and then through it. And I'm going to pour the almond milk now. Lovely. And in fact I probably will pour the whole amount of milk in there and pour my matcha onto it. And now my matcha latte is made. I am so excited to drink this. This looks so delicious, and I think it's best now that we do a little bit of a taste test with this drink. So I think the fact that I've added the agave has given it a bit more of a taste with the agave, but overall it's very yummy. It's very refreshing, and on a hot day like it is today, I am really excited to have this, and it will give me some added benefits such as the antioxidant factors in this, and also it's just so refreshing. So I really suggest that you do try out and see whether you can make a matcha latte for yourself. And one of the things you need to remember is this: you can save a lot more money making this at home than going to Starbucks. So why not give it a try? Bye.